Mayong hapon sa tanan. You are tuned in to DILG ZDS Ganap sa Field. Back again to bring you closer to the heart of public service. I am Jerome Lloyd Ugawan, MLGOO of Labangan, and today we are sharing real stories, real actions, and real impact, straight from the field.
Turnover and installation ceremony for the Municipal Local Government Operations Officer of Dinas, Pitogo, and San Pablo, Zamboanga del Sur on February 13, 2026. The DILG Zamboanga del Sur held a re-echo session on revised guidelines for localizing the Magna Carta of Women via Zoom on February 18, 2026. On the same day, DILG Zamboanga del Sur conducted the reconstitution of the LTIA Provincial Awards Committee at the DILG Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Office Conference Hall. The LGO Labangan and DILG Labangan Field Office, headed by MLGO Jerome Lloyd Ugawan, conducted an institutional sector CDP formulation follow-through meeting on February 16, 2026. On February 18, 2026, the City of Pagadian and Pagadian Field Office conducted an implementation of mandatory drug testing for CLGU employees in collaboration with PIDEA and PNP. On the same day, the DILG Pagadian Field Office conducted LTIA assessment at Barangay San Pedro and Barangay Kawit in coordination with the DOJ, PNP, Liga ng mga Barangay, and CSO representatives.
And that's a glimpse of how Ganap sa Field showcases public service at its finest. Daghang salamat for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we always surpass the limit.